Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create Threads account. First, open app on your device. Here, if you have login Instagram account on your device, then show continue with Instagram. If you have not logged in Instagram, then tap on use different account. Here, first box type your Instagram username, email or mobile number, and second box type your password and tap on login. I have logged in Instagram account, so tap on continue with Instagram. Here choose public profile and tap on continue. Now tap on join threads. That's it. Successfully create Threads account. I hope this video helped you, so please subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching this video.